The Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis, a mesmerizing natural phenomenon that has fascinated people for generations. A celestial ballet of light, dancing across the heavens in a display that seems almost otherworldly. This ethereal display has captivated humankind for centuries, inspiring countless myths, legends, and stories. Imagine standing under a sky ablaze with color, feeling the magic of the universe unfold before your eyes. Shimmering green, vibrant violet, and soft pink hues dance across the dark canvas of night, creating a visual symphony. It's a symphony of light, a breathtaking spectacle that whispers to the soul, leaving an indelible mark on all who witness it. For many, witnessing the Northern Lights is a bucket list dream, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It seems like a distant, expensive fantasy, reserved only for those who can afford luxury travel. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? There are ways to make this dream a reality without spending a fortune. It is possible to experience this wonder without breaking the bank, with a bit of research and planning. Chasing the Northern Lights on a budget is an adventure in itself, filled with excitement and discovery. It requires careful planning and a sense of adventure, but the journey is as rewarding as the destination. But the reward is immeasurable. An intimate encounter with one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena, a memory that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, embrace your inner explorer, and let's embark on a budget-friendly journey to witness the magic of the Northern Lights. The adventure awaits. Experiencing the Northern Lights doesn't require luxury accommodations or expensive tours. You don't need to empty your savings to witness this breathtaking phenomenon. With savvy planning and a spirit of adventure, this natural wonder becomes accessible to everyone. It's all about knowing where to look and how to plan. Think budget flights, cozy hostels, and self-guided explorations. These are the keys to making your dream of seeing the Northern Lights a reality without spending a fortune. One of the biggest misconceptions about chasing the Northern Lights is the cost. Many people think it's an exclusive experience only for those with deep pockets. Many believe it requires expensive tours and luxurious accommodations. This couldn't be further from the truth. But the truth is, you can experience this natural wonder without breaking the bank. There are plenty of budget-friendly options available. Start by choosing an affordable destination. Research is key to finding places that offer great views without the hefty price tag. Consider countries like Iceland or Finland, known for their stunning Northern Lights displays and budget-friendly options. These destinations offer a range of affordable accommodations and activities. Opting for shoulder seasons just before or after peak tourist times can yield significant savings on flights and accommodation. This is when prices drop, and you can enjoy a more peaceful experience. Embrace the spirit of a backpacker. This means being flexible, resourceful, and open to new experiences. Choose hostels or guest houses instead of hotels. These options are not only cheaper, but also offer a chance to meet fellow travelers. Cook your own meals instead of dining out. This can save you a significant amount of money and also gives you a taste of local life. Rent a car with friends to split costs and explore the countryside at your own pace. This way, you can reach remote spots where the Northern Lights are most visible. Remember, the most valuable things in life are often free. The joy of traveling with friends, the beauty of nature, and the thrill of adventure don't come with a price tag. The thrill of witnessing the Northern Lights dancing across the sky is priceless, regardless of your budget. It's an experience that will stay with you forever. The Arctic Circle beckons with a symphony of light. But where to begin your budget-friendly Northern Lights adventure? Several destinations offer a perfect blend of affordability and breathtaking aurora displays. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, offers a dramatic backdrop for the Northern Lights. Explore Reykjavik's vibrant city life and venture into the countryside for captivating aurora views. Finland, with its vast wilderness and cozy cabins, is a haven for budget travelers. Head north to Lapland, a magical region renowned for its Northern Lights displays and winter activities. Even Alaska, a U.S. state known for its rugged beauty, offers budget-friendly options. Fairbanks, easily accessible and boasting frequent aurora activity, is a great starting point. Remember, the key is to research, compare prices, and choose a destination that aligns with your budget and travel style. Getting around the Arctic doesn't have to drain your funds. Embrace budget-friendly transportation options that enhance your adventure. Consider renting a car with fellow travelers. This allows flexibility, cost sharing, and the opportunity to discover hidden gems at your own pace. Public transportation is another affordable option, especially in well-connected countries like Iceland. Look for bus passes or train routes that cover popular Northern Lights viewing areas. When it comes to accommodation, think outside the traditional hotel box. Hostels provide a social atmosphere and budget-friendly lodging. Guest houses, often run by locals, offer an authentic experience and affordable rates. For the adventurous, camping under the Northern Lights is an unforgettable experience. Just be sure to research campsites and come prepared for cold weather conditions. Timing is crucial when chasing the Northern Lights. While they grace the skies from September to April, certain months offer optimal viewing opportunities. The winter solstice, around December and January, boasts long, dark nights, increasing your chances of witnessing the aurora's brilliance. However, shoulder seasons like September to October and February to March offer a balance of decent aurora activity and milder weather. Plus, you'll encounter fewer crowds and potentially snag better deals on flights and accommodation. Remember, the Northern Lights are a natural phenomenon, and sightings are never guaranteed. Flexibility is key. Check aurora forecasts, be patient, and embrace the element of surprise that comes with chasing this celestial wonder. Venturing into the Arctic requires preparation for the cold. Pack layers of warm clothing, including thermal underwear, fleece jackets, insulated pants, hats, gloves, and scarves. Invest in a quality winter coat that can withstand freezing temperatures and wind chill. Protecting your extremities is crucial. Bring extra pairs of socks to prevent frostbite and ensure your boots are waterproof and insulated. Don't forget lip balm and moisturizer to combat dry, cold air. Staying hydrated is important, even in cold weather. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. Warm drinks like tea or hot chocolate can also help maintain body heat. Before venturing out, check the weather forecast and be aware of potential hazards like blizzards or extreme cold warnings. Always inform someone of your whereabouts and expected return time. Capturing the Northern Lights on camera can be challenging, but with a few tips, you can preserve those magical memories. The Aurora Borealis is a natural light display that can be unpredictable, so preparation is key. A sturdy tripod is crucial for sharp images during long exposures. Without it, even the slightest movement can blur your photos. Use a wide-angle lens to capture the vastness of the aurora. This allows you to include more of the sky and landscape in your shot, creating a more dramatic effect. Experiment with different shutter speeds to find the perfect balance between light and detail. Longer exposures can capture more light, but too long can result in overexposure. Adjust your camera settings to manual mode and select a high ISO, 800 or higher, to compensate for low light conditions. Be mindful of noise, which can increase with higher ISO settings. Set your aperture to the lowest possible f-stop number to allow maximum light into the lens. This helps in capturing the faint lights of the aurora more clearly. Focus on infinity to ensure sharp aurora details. This setting is crucial for capturing the distant lights clearly. Use the camera's self-timer or a remote shutter release to prevent camera shake during long exposures. This small step can make a big difference in the sharpness of your images. Don't be afraid to experiment with different compositions and settings to capture unique and breathtaking shots. Move around, change angles, and try different perspectives to find the most captivating view. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. Whether it's a DSLR, mirrorless camera, or even a smartphone, you can capture stunning images with the right techniques. Even if you don't have professional equipment, smartphones can capture stunning aurora images with the right settings and a bit of patience. Use apps that allow manual control over exposure and focus to get the best results. Chasing the Northern Lights is just the beginning of your Arctic adventure. Embrace the opportunity to immerse yourself in the unique culture and landscapes of the region. In Iceland, explore geothermal pools, hike glaciers, and marvel at cascading waterfalls. Finland offers a winter wonderland of dog sledding, snowshoeing, and ice fishing. Discover the rich indigenous cultures of Alaska through museums, art galleries, and local festivals. Don't limit yourself to just the night sky. The Arctic regions offer a wealth of daytime activities and breathtaking scenery. Embrace the opportunity to fully immerse yourself in this extraordinary part of the world. Chasing the Northern Lights is more than just ticking off a bucket list item. It's a transformative journey that stays with you long after you've returned home. The sheer scale and beauty of the Aurora have a way of putting life into perspective. Standing beneath that celestial dance of light, you feel a sense of awe and wonder. It's a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. It's a humbling experience that can spark a renewed appreciation for the natural world. So embrace the adventure, chase the lights, and let the magic of the Northern Lights ignite your spirit of exploration. You might just discover something extraordinary within yourself along the way.